quality in creating these professional videos won't necessarily make it where you have an increase of engagement or sales or anything else. Sometimes it just takes just becoming relatable with them. Like, for
Mhm.
example, if you took a team picture, like a picture of your team, between you guys being serious, a professional picture, and the difference between you taking a picture on your iPhone of funny faces, most likely the funny face picture will do better because you are being more relatable to your customer, to your end consumer, and they're going to say, wow, they really seem like good people after that. But most people only go for the professional route, and taking that funny picture with your funny faces, that's what's going to make you stand out versus everyone else.
Mhm.
Because everyone else wants to be like act professional and do all these things, but that's not being human. Like if you when you're
Mhm.
being professional, you're putting a filter on your human self. That is what being professional is. And we all have those personal selves inside of us being human, but we filter that through professionalism. So it's so important just to be personable, and that way you can create that ending relationship with someone else.
I